Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Dear students, today we are going to continue our lesson number 10, A Strange Wrestling Match from the book A Pact with the Sun. I hope you all are ready with your book to read the next part of the lesson. So let's get started with the previous part. So we have read about Vijay Singh, who was a famous wrestler. He was fond of posting and one day he fell into an awkward situation because of his, yes, boasting, and he went to haunted desert to meet ghost. And when he met to a ghost, he started insulting him. Means he wanted to show the ghost that he was a very brave and strong person, and he could defeat the ghost also. And also he was saying to ghost like, you are a very pale ghost, means you are worthless ghost, right? So let's start the next part on page number 47. Some key points are here. Vijay Singh demonstrated his strength by crushing what the ghost thought was a piece of rock, and the ghost avoided a wrestling bout with Vijay Singh but decided to conquer him through cheating, and he invited Vijay Singh to be his guest for the night. So these are the key points about which we are going to read in the next part. So let's get started. Vijay Singh picked up a piece of rock from the sand. Take this, he offered it to the ghost and squeezed it hard. It is filled with fluid. See if I am wrong. While the ghost tried to squeeze the rock first with one hand, then with both, Vijay Singh slyly took out the egg from his pocket. Right? So, dear student, in the last para we have read about the appearances can be deceptive. Vijay Singh said, take your own case, means he was saying and he was insulting the ghost, and he was showing his strength and was saying that ghost, you are completely worthless. So in this para, what they have done, they were just wanted to show their own strengths. So Vijay Singh, what he did, he just picked up a piece of rock from the sand. From the sand, he just picked up a piece of rock, and he offered to the ghost and told him to take it and squeeze it hard. It is filled with fluid. See if I am wrong. Means he offered a piece of rock, stone, to ghost and told him to break it and bring fluid from this piece of rock. While the ghost tried to squeeze the rock first with one hand, then with both, Vijay Singh stealthily, it means secretly, took out the egg from his pocket. Right? So what he did, by invading from ghost eyes, he just took out egg from his pocket. Okay, I think you all are getting my point. Means first of all, he offered a piece of stone to ghost, right? Then he told him to break it so that a fluid will come out from the stone. And when the ghost was trying to break the stone with one hand and then with both the hand, because it was very hard, right? So at the meantime, Vijay Singh secretly took out the egg from his pocket. And what he did next, Vijay Singh snatched the rock from the ghost and placed it between both hands and squeezed. At once, the yellow yolk oozed from around his fingers. Okay, and the crackling of the eggshell created the illusion of the stone being crushed. The ghost was so astonished he did not notice Vijay Singh bending to clean his hands with sand and disposing of the telltale shell. Vijay Singh then picked up another piece of rock and gave it to the ghost. Without a word, the ghost took it, felt it, and peered it at it. Vijay Singh put his hand into his pocket to take out the lump of salt. Right? So here in the picture, it will clear everything. Right? Here is Vijay Singh. Here is ghost. Right? Here he is squeezing the egg, but according to the ghost, he is squeezing the piece of rock. And he was very surprised to see, means how Vijay Singh was able to break the stone, which is very hard, into pieces and bring out the fluid. Right? Let's see here. So Vijay Singh snatched the rock from the ghost. He just completely take this rock from the ghost and placed it between both hands like this. Okay, and squeezed, okay, and broke it, and at once the yellow yolk oozed from around his finger. Oozed means started, like this drops come out. Okay, so as everybody knows that how soft the egg is, right? And if you squeeze it hardly, obviously the yellow part of the egg will come out. Similarly, it happened with Vijay Singh, right? But he was very surprised because according to him the rock was very hard, but he was just squeezing the egg, not rock, right? And the crackling of the eggshell created the illusion of the stone being crushed. Illusion, it created illusion, right? And it become very looks like ghost was it looks like he just broke out the stone. So eggshells, outer part of the egg will be looking like the stone. Okay, so the ghost was so astonished, he was very surprised. He didn't notice Vijay Singh bending to clean his hands with sand and disposing of the telltale shell. Means he had not, because he was completely surprised, he gone mad. So he was not noticing that Vijay Singh had bent down and just cleaning his hands with the shell and disposing, means vanishing the shells, etc., all the things. And after it, Vijay Singh then picked up another piece of rock and gave it to the ghost. And again, he picked up a stone and gave it to ghost. Another stone, right? Then without a word, the ghost took it, felt it, and peered at it. Means he was looking the stone very carefully, right? Very hurriedly and very carefully he was looking at the stone. And Vijay Singh put his hand into his pocket to take out the lump of salt. Okay, and this time he just put out the salt from the pocket. Then what happened? This is only a stone, protested the ghost, and anyway it is too dark to see. Never heard of a ghost who can't see in the dark, remarked Vijay Singh. So dear students, on page number 48 you will find these sentences. This is only a stone, protested the ghost, and anyway it is too dark to see. So now the ghost was protecting himself and he was against the wrestler's words. Protested the ghost means ghost was telling something against his views, against Vijay Singh's views, and he was saying it is only a stone, it can't be break. So and anyway it is too dark to see, and according to him it was night time, it was too dark and he was not able to see whether it is a stone or anything else. Never heard of a ghost who can't see in the dark, remarked Vijay Singh. That stone which you hold in your hand contains salt. Crumble it and see. Again the ghost tried to crush the stone, but in vain. He handed over the stone to Vijay Singh. The ghost was now beginning to doubt his ghostly powers. Okay, so remarked Vijay Singh. Vijay Singh was saying he had never heard about a ghost that who wouldn't able to see in the dark, who couldn't able to see in the dark. So according to him he was not a ghost, because ghost can see in the dark also. And again he was saying this stone, another stone, he was saying that it contains salt. Means if you will crush it you will get salt from this stone. From the first stone he was offering to get fruit, and in the next stone he was offering to get what? Salt, right? Again the ghost tried to crush the stone, but in vain. Now he was trying to crush the stone, but completely he was not able to do this, and he handed over the stone to Vijay Singh to show your power. And this time the ghost was very in a doubtful condition, and he was just thinking about his ghostly powers. Means actually was he ghost or not, because according to all this situation he was just measuring that Vijay Singh was stronger than him. I can see that you are not going to be a worthy opponent. What's the use of wrestling with a weakling whom I can floor in a minute? So saying, Vijay Singh casually crumbled a lump of salt and let the stone drop in the darkness. He held out his hand and commanded the ghost to taste the powdered stone. Okay, so how Vijay Singh was befooling him, he is told that and he was talking as he returned the stone to Vijay Singh. Vijay Singh held the stone and was saying that you are not, means ghost was not going to be a worthy opponent, right? Because according to him, according to all this situation, Vijay Singh was stronger. Vijay Singh was seeming was Vijay Singh seemed to be a stronger one. And what's the use of wrestling with a weakling, means weak opponent whom I can floor in a minute. According to Vijay Singh, he can throw which ghost in a minute onto the floor in the wrestling match, means in a first punch he would do this. And Vijay Singh, and as he was saying all these things, he just casually crumbled the lamp of salt and stone drop in the darkness. He just dropped the stone in the darkness and showed the crumbled powder, right, crushed powder in his hand, and commanded the ghost to taste the powdered stone. And he offered to ghost, please taste this powder. Then, as you can see in the picture, now this picture is about mesmerized with the Pahalwan's extraordinary strength, the ghost did as he was told. Alarm shot through him. This man could easily vanquish him in a wrestling bout in the dark, but perhaps he could be tricked in other ways. Assuming a servile manner, the ghost said, "Friend Vijay Singh, it is an honor to meet a man like you." Right? So, listen, as he was watching, Ghost was watching all the things, and he was feeling that his opponent, Ms. Vijay Singh, was stronger. So, mesmerized with the Pahalwan's extraordinary strength, he was completely impressed, right? So, he was impressed with Pahalwan's extraordinary, very impressive strength. The Ghost did as he was told. So he was doing all the things as Vijay Singh was telling him. So alarm shot through him. So it was just warning came through his mind that this man could easily vanquish him in a wrestling bout in the dark. Means if they will they will go for the wrestling match, then obviously in the dark time, in a one punch, he can defeat the ghost, right? So all these thoughts was moving in the mind of ghost, and he was thinking all the things. And but perhaps he could be tricked in another way. So he was thinking that in any other way, another tricky way, he could defeat Vijay Singh. So assuming a survival manner, means assuming a very slavish manner, very low type of thinking, the ghost said, "Friend Vijay Singh, it is an honor to meet a man like you." Means he was showing very appreciation, and he was showing affection to Vijay Singh, and he was saying, "I'm very happy and I'm very glad that I met a man like you. I admit to being defeated, but where will you go tonight? Rest in my house, you can leave tomorrow." So now he was saying that I admit that I am defeated, right? I have been defeated by you. So now it is as night time, so where will you go? So just rest in my house, come to my house, and you can leave tomorrow. You just went back after this night, in the morning, means tomorrow. Okay, so he was offering to come with him to his house and take a rest at during the night, and tomorrow you can leave. Now thoroughly elated, Vijay Singh replied, "I cannot refuse your hospitality, but tomorrow you will go with me as my prisoner. I must display the trophy of my victory to my people." The ghost bowed in agreement, but silently vowed to kill Vijay Singh in the night. He led him to his house in the cave. Now what happened? As yes, now thoroughly elated means very happy, right? Vijay Singh replied, "I cannot refuse your hospitality, but tomorrow." Means he was saying, yes, I cannot refuse your offer, as you are saying me to, you will take care of me, so I will not refuse it. I cannot refuse it, so I will come to you with your I will come to your house with you, but tomorrow morning you will go with me, right? Means he was saying that ghost would come with him to his village, so that he could show him, like, to all the people of his village, that I have brought a ghost as my winning trophy. I had won him. And ghost bowed in agreement, but silently vowed to kill Vijay Singh in the night. Vow means he was very determined, pledged right? So he bought in agreement. He just agreed that I will do the same. You come with me, I will go with you. And silently, and in thinking, he was just determined to kill Vijay Singh, and he led to his house in the cave, and they both went together. Thank you.